Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you in this 21 plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 dynamic van. The van itself is presented in pure jade white paintwork, which again is just a basic colour for one of these vans. But taking a closer look at the van, it is in superb order. Coming through to the front, you've got the lovely chrome detailing Vauxhall grille. You've got the daytime running lights. So taking a closer look at the front, you can see it's free from any stone chips, any major marks, things like that. Coming down then the passenger side, it's on the lovely 16-inch steel wheels with the lovely Vauxhall wheel trims, and they're in all in fantastic order throughout. Coming and looking down the side of the vehicle, you can see it's free from any major dents, scrapes, major car part dings. All the door edges are in fantastic order, saying it has been a works van. Again, coming through to the rear, it's got rear parking sensors fitted to this one, so a lovely extra to have on your van. And again, you've got the Vauxhall Vivaro detailing badge throughout. Taking a closer look then in the rear of the van, you can see it's had very minimal wear. There's just a few marks on the rear of the plough lining. And again, looking at the doorways, they're all in good order, no major scratches or damage with things being inside of the van. Coming down then the passenger side again, looking down it, you can see it's all free from major dents, scrapes. All the bumper corners are in fantastic order, the wheel trims, they're all in good order. But no, it really has been a cherished van by its former keeper. So taking a closer look inside, we'll get out of the elements in Wigan today. You're presented with this lovely half leather cloth interior, which looking down the sides of the bolsters on the driver's side, they're all in good order. You can tell it's not been abused by a builder or anything like that. And then looking again at the passenger seats, the half leather trim follows throughout. And then if we pull this handle here, you get your under seat storage, so extra space down there and under your seats, which again is free from anything that's been really chucked down there. But jumping inside quickly, as we're doing the video today, the van has only covered 26,292 miles. And then quickly running through some of the features, you've got 2 electric windows, heated electric mirrors. You've got a lovely flat bottom style steering wheel, which again, taking a closer look round, you can see it's free from any damage. You can tell the van has been cherished by its keeper. But again, looking at the stalks, you've got auto lights, cruise and limit control, auto wipers, and then the control to alter your radio. And as we're doing the video today, 2 keys are present. Coming through and into the multimedia screen, if we click on here, this tells you what the car's got. So it's got stop start, rear parking section, traction control, full DAB radio, so full of the extended channels. Coming through to your settings again, system configuration, screen configuration. Press this one in and this helps pairing with your phone to read messages. And if we click on phone, it's got Bluetooth telephone, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Coming through into the climate control, you've got full climate control settings. That's the button for your heating mirrors. You've got air conditioning, and again you've got a 12-volt power outlet and a USB input. And the van itself is powered through the lovely 6-speed manual gearbox. And if we open this in here, boot pack is present. You've got extended storage in there, and again some more storage under here with another 12-volt power outlet and to disable the passenger airbag. But looking at the floors, they're all in fantastic order throughout. It really has been a credit to the former keeper of this van. It is in lovely order. But yeah, if you'd like any further from the van, please give us a call on 01942 231 123 or email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk, and we look forward to your inquiry. Thanks for watching.